Hey friends, welcome you all to Walk with Rajeshri once again, and today we are traveling from Kolkata to Sweden, and it's a long way to go, and we are on the clouds, we are on the land, we are in the many field, and we are experiencing a lot of sky views. So let's walk together and explore the world. Living Kolkata is never been easy because I have a lot of friends, families, and a lot of memories out there. And because of the work and other things, we had to travel, and so we started our journey. And we are reaching Kolkata airport. We had all the precautions ready for the COVID. So I will tell you later on what are the things we have taken care of. So here we are in the Calcutta airport, and I never expected that will be so much crowd, but still people are traveling, people are keeping some safe distance, people are maintaining their own way of like safe thing to during this COVID time, and this was not a bad.
Hello, we are going to Sweden now.
Hi friends, I am at Kolkata airport right now and welcome you all to Walk with Rajeshri. And today I am going to Sweden, from Kolkata to Mumbai to France to Sweden. It will be a long journey, so please walk with me and let's see how the pandemic works for us. So I have my RT-PCR ready with me, I have my double vaccination done, and also all the papers I have submitted to the counter. I have done my checking, and the check-in has been done till Sweden. Okay, from Kolkata to Mumbai, Mumbai to France, France to Sweden, all check-in has been done, so we are all ready to go. Right now I'm waiting for my flight from Kolkata to Mumbai, and here I am. Love you all. During traveling through the pandemic, we have to have our RT-PCR ready with us with the scanning formation. Also, you have to have your double vaccination. The COVID shield vaccine is the must and really a mandate. Okay, so you have to have a ready things with you, and travel safe. Always use the sanitizer, wear your mask, and let's just travel. Okay. Friends, while we are traveling, if you have to sit in the middle seat, you have to wear this kind of clothes. Apart from that, there are other things you have to wear in the flight, so I'm just coming up with that. So friends, they will give you a face shield and you have to peel up the sticker from there. And also you can see my daughter, she's wearing she's going to sit in the middle, so she has to wear this kind of thing.
And we have to peel up this sticker. After that, we are going to show you.
Okay, so this is how we all are dressed up right now. And this is me. Okay.
We even got sanitizer. It's called Combat Hand Cleanser.
Kolkata to Mumbai, we had a Vistara Airlines. The people of that airlines were very helpful. They already help us for the boarding for the all places. So it was really cool, and they help us to do how the luggage things gone and everything, so that the journey will be smooth.
Right now, Mumbai Airport.
We just arrived into the Mumbai airport. Now we'll go for the immigration for Paris and international way.
I want to show you something now. So I found something. My mother found something with this thing. So it goes like this, right? So you can put it up like this. And when the flight attendants come, you just put it like this.
That's funny.
And then mom.
Now we are heading towards the Air France counter so that we can have the immigration in process and get to know what to do next. Let's go! have our flight at 2:45 a.m. and we have to wait along, and we reached from Kolkata to Mumbai at 8:30, so we have to wait along because the immigration and everything will start 4 hours before the departure. So right now we are waiting and it's a long wait. Someone is getting bored.
It's so long.
So we are having a little walk. So we are done with our immigration and all boarding formalities, and we are going to our gate number 86 something. What was the number? 86D.
D.
D. Okay.
That me and my mother are going to do something else.
What we are going to do? Shopping?
Yes.
Let's go. This is so tempting. I love to do. Well, we didn't buy anything from the duty free, but we had a nice walk, me, mother and daughter, right? We had a nice walk and amazing painting and the sculpture I have seen on the way to the gate number of us, where we have taken the flight for the Paris. And I had a couple of time walks out there back and forth and along with my daughter, and really we should appreciate everything we see around, and this is really amazing art I have seen in Mumbai airport. So if you're traveling any place anywhere in the world, guys, don't forget to look here and there and appreciate whatever you are seeing in your surroundings, and just have a look. Take a time because we get a lot of time sometimes, so just have a look and appreciate the artwork or whatever you see beside. Well, it was a long wait in Mumbai airport to catch a flight for Paris, but as I have walked a lot out there back and forth with my daughter, so time passed by and I enjoyed. Now it was 3 a.m. almost and we are starting from Mumbai. I am half sleepy, so I couldn't capture much of the flight. Before the takeoff, I just went to sleep. I enjoyed the food on the flight. I watched 1 or 2 movies, halfly or fully, because I was very sleepy all the time. My daughter was watching, and when we are approaching Paris, the skyline, I loved it. Though it was very cloudy, the clouds floating and all, I loved it. Here we reached Paris right now, and we are rushing because we only have 30-35 minutes to reach. We are just rushing because we have to catch the connecting flight in 30 minutes time, and it was a long security check, so I'm not getting much time to show you the Paris airport. So here we are, friends, and rushing. My daughter. Security check, immigration, it has taken a long time, and but we are just rushing. Finally we'll make it, and we were the last person to board on the flight, and the gate were about to close before we reach. We are the last one to get into the flight, and we are just walking towards it. So friends, we are at last on the flight for Paris to Sweden, and it is a 2.5 hours of the traveling, and the changes I have seen is very different, because when we are starting off from Kolkata, India, we are wearing a lot of PPE kit and face mask and face shield, using a lot of sanitizer. When we reach Mumbai, we are not having any PPE kit, but we have to wear the face mask while we are all the way on the board, right? When we are reaching Paris and we are going to Sweden, half of the people are not even wearing masks. We are so amazed and surprised, rather shocked to see that like the huge transformation. Sanitizer people are using here as well, and here we landed in Sweden. We reached here. Now we are going for the baggage claim, and we have taken our baggages, and just we have to go out to get the cab. When you are coming out of the Sweden airport, you can see a lot of cabs are waiting for you. You just have to talk to them and give your address, because you're the first time out here. The people are very helpful out there, and they will guide you how to do, what to do, and they will tell you a lot of things about the Sweden as well. So here you are. I hope you like this journey of mine, and let's come back to me and do let me know how you like my journey, and if you have any suggestion